Okay, this is 1G. Most of the students have problem in it. Okay, look at this. Nouraz Ali, you told me you have not understood and you are, where are you going? Okay, now look at this. Basically, this is borrowing subtraction. So, look, here it is 2 given, na? But it is given 3. So, we have to look, 2 is less than this 3. So can we subtract a number from a lesser number? No, from a lesser number we cannot subtract. So we have to make this larger. We have to make this one greater. And how to make it greater? By borrowing. Okay, how to borrow? Look at this. This one 2, this one 3. 3 is greater, so a greater number we cannot subtract from a smaller number. Can we subtract 3 from 2 now? 2 is the less. So we have to make this 2 greater. How? This 2 greater, there will be 2. 2 will remain 2. And we have to take 1 10 from this 4 tens. Here are how many tens? 4 tens are there. Na? So from this 4 we have to borrow 1. Look, we have already borrowed over this 1. So this 2 has been becoming 12. Now it has been becoming 12. Is it clear? Look, this one is lesser, so we have made this larger. It has been becoming 12. And how we have made this 12? By borrowing 1 from immediate left place. Okay, immediate left we have to take borrow 1. Acha, we have to borrow. We have borrowed. Look, we have taken already 1 from this 4. So this 4 will remain 4. No, na. As we have borrowed 1 from this 4, so how many will be there? Remaining 3. Yes, we have already borrowed 1 from this 4. Already 1 has gone to there now. So 1 less will be there. It will be becoming 3. This one clear up to this? Sushnata, those who have not understood, Irfan,
Yes,
Farjana.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look at this. Now just normal subtraction. After 3, start counting till 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9. So look, we have put 9 over there. This one clear? And now this 4, we will not consider this 4. It has already become 3. Now we'll look at this 3, not this 4. Understood? So from this 3, we have to subtract. But again, there is, look, 5. 5 is greater than this 3. So we cannot subtract. Again, we have to make this 3 larger. As this is 3, so it will be 13 larger by borrowing 1 from this 3. Immediate left, the same thing will be repeating. Understood? So this one clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So look, as we have made this 13 and we have borrowed 1 from this 3. So again, this 3 will be becoming 2. Yes, so now after 5, start counting.
Ma'am.
13. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. So we have put already 8 over there. Second one done. Tens place. Now for 100 place. Again, look, this one is 2, so we will not consider this 3 as it has already becoming 2. So from this 2, we have to subtract this 3. This 3. But again, look, this 3 is greater than this 2. So again, we have to borrow 1 and we have to make this large, 12. Yes, so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from which one we are borrowing? From this 3, immediate left place. So this 3 will again be becoming 2. Is it clear? Now, after 3, start to count till 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think now it is clear. And we have to continue this process. The same thing. Look, again, this is 4 and this is 2. 2 less, so we have to make this 12 by borrowing 1. So this 5 will be becoming 4. This one clear? So the process is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again,
Yes, ma'am.
again 4 is less than this 6. So this 4 will be becoming 14. by borrowing 1 from this 6. This 6 will be 5. So normal subtraction, this process will be repeating. Now I hope this one is clear. Acha, those who can mute themselves, unmute themselves, say yes or no, and those who cannot, shake your head if you have whether you have understood. Paushali,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay, Anubhav, Paushali, no, Afrina, Ankita. Okay, good.
It is also
Sonakshi,
clear to me.
Ashia. Okay, good. Okay. Oishani, Obhipsha. Acha, now let me explain. Most of the students today, they are turning off the camera. I don't know due to network issue or not, because I am also facing problem due to network. Okay, but try to keep on your camera.
Sometimes your voice is breaking.
Yes. Basically, I also sometimes cannot hear you due to network. For few days, there is too much
Yes,
network.
ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now let me show it. Okay. All of you complete this one. Number 1, those who have not completed number 1 yesterday, already yesterday I explained, but those who have not completed, complete it. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Acha,
Ma'am, what we will do?
number G I explained na, so write number G.
Ma'am, yesterday you have done up to question number 2B.
2. Yes, 2B. I can remember, but I am today telling for those who were unable to write yesterday. Okay. I am showing it for one time. Complete this first. Up to 1.
Ma'am.
Listen to me very carefully. Huh? Listen to me very carefully. Look, this one is also same thing. Look, this is 2 though. This one is 5. So we have to, let me zoom in. Again, I am explaining this one. 2B, look at this. This one 2, we have to make this 12. Okay. Now after 5, start counting till this 12. 7 places, look, done. And from where we have got this 1? Immediate left place. This 9 will be becoming 1 as we have borrowed 1. Okay. Now start. This 9 will not consider this 9. This 9 has already becoming what? This 8. So after 2, start counting till 8. Okay, 6 places will be there. So here it is 6. Clear? Now look, we have not borrowed anything from this 3 though, because 8 remaining 8. So just normal subtraction, 0 and this one 3. It will be 3. Now again we have to consider this one as 15. Okay, from where we have borrowed 1? From this 8. We have taken this one. Already 1 we have taken, so it will be becoming 7. Basically, this is the short way to remember that 1 we are borrowing, so we are subtracting 1. But basically the concept is from 9 tens we are taking 1 10. Okay, so 8 10 is remaining. From 300 we are taking 100. So 200 is remaining. This is the main concept. Okay. Achha, now just normal subtraction. Now it is clear. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only you are saying. Achha, the other student can shake. They can shake their head. Wajid, Ananya. Okay. Okay. Good. Bonusri. Okay. Achha. Now let me show you all the questions. Achha, only 2 and 3 I am showing you. No need to do number 4 right now. Okay, and number 5. I'm covering number 4 and 5.
Ma'am, today we will start from B or D.
No, D. B to already you have done. I explained again one time more, okay? From D and F. From D, F.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 3, B and D. This F I am explaining, huh? 58,763, it is 9,025. This 3 is less again, so we have to consider this one as 13. And from where we will get this 1? From this immediate left one. So this will be becoming 5. Yes? Now after 5, start counting till 13. Okay? It will be 8 place. Now this 6 already, this 6 is becoming 5. So right now we'll consider this 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 places. Done. Now this is normal subtraction, not even borrowing. Okay. This one again, look, 8 is less than this 9. So we have to consider this one as 18. And we have taken this 1 from this 5. So it will be becoming 4. Okay, now normal. After 9, start counting till this 18. It will be 9. And this, there is nothing means what? 0. So this will be 4. Okay, 49,738. Even borrowing subtraction, if you can understand one question, no? Then you can easily solve the other. Right now? Okay. Complete number D, F. Then I'll explain 3. Achha, till now some students are in unmute. I told to mute. Shubhangi, Shornakshi, understood? Okay, okay. Now let me explain this one. Huh? It is given 1,04,709. We have to subtract from this. Which one? 73,456. Okay. Look at this. Here it is 9 greater than this 6. So no need to borrow anything. Just normal. It will be 3. It is done. But here it is 0 now and it is to 5. 5 is greater 1. So we have to make this 0, 10. From where we have borrowed 1? From the immediate left place, from this 7. So this 7 will also be becoming 6. Now normal counting. 5 places. After 4, start counting till this 6. 2. Okay. Now 4 minus 3, 1. And again this 10 we have to, this 0 we have to consider as 10. As we have considered this as 10, look, we have already taken this 1 borrowed. So there is no 1 right now. It will be 3 plus 31,253. Is it clear? If it is clear, then you can shake your head.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, no need to shout. Just Stay muted and shake your head. Pratibha Shrestha. Okay, okay. Shubhangi also. Acha, Meheria, Farzana.
Yes, ma'am.
Nusaiba, Nouras. Okay, okay. Trisha, Bera, Afrina Khatun. Now I'll, acha, after completing, acha, I'm not calling each and everyone's name, but if you have understood, you can just shake your head so that I can see all of you. Okay, okay. Ashia, done up to this. Okay, the next one, number D. Okay. Anubhav, complete it first. Acha, next D also. D I am not going to explain. The same thing, okay. Do it yourself. I am going to explain number 4 and number 5. At first, I am giving you 1 minute, okay, to complete up to 3D. Shifat Haq,
Ma'am,
with whom you are
completed.
talking? With whom you are talking? Achha, all of you completed? No, some students are still doing. Mehriya, Ankita, complete it first. Okay, those who have completed, they can show me their copy, huh? Okay, now let me explain number 4th one, huh? Look, here it is the question. Question number 4. Look at this. What number is this one? This one means what number is this less than a given number? That means, suppose I am asking you one question. What number is 7 less than 10? What will be the answer? What number is 7 less than 10? Yes. What number is 7 less than 10? That means you have to find out that number which is 7 less than 10. 7 less than 10 means what? 10 minus 7. So what is that number? 3. Yes, so the same thing is here. Question number 4, let me read. It is given what number is 4,84,407 less than 6,38,790. The number is 6,38,790. Now, another number is given 4,84,407. What number is this when this one less than this one? Okay, that means you have to find out that number. Okay, when we subtract this number from this 6,38,790. Is it clear to all of you? You can shake your head if it is clear to you. I am not.
Yes, ma'am.
I am not telling, taking all the names. Okay, okay, good. Acha. Now just I am showing you the solution. Acha, 4 and 5. Let me explain these two together. Okay, and I'll show you these two solution together. Huh? Number 5th one. What number should be added to this to get this one? At first, let me explain by taking a smaller number. Acha, what number should be added to 16? What number should be added to 16? So that we will get 20. What number? We will add? Say 4. Yes, yes, you can show me your finger just like Riza. Okay, that means 4, exactly. So how do you get this 4? This one very small calculation. That's why by mind calculation we can see. But usually how do we get this 4? Look, this 20, the resultant value minus this 16. Then we are getting the 4 now. That 4, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay. Acha, now just look at Pratibha, clear to? Acha, now look at this. Question number 5. It is given what number we have to add to 2,35,864. Show that the resultant value will be 6,84,353. So 6,84,353. This is the resultant value. Now which number we have to add to 2,35,864? Suppose we are adding a number we don't know. This will be the resultant value. So ultimately, how do we get this box? This resultant value minus this 2,35,864. Yes, so. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, the answer. Number 4th one and 5th one. Okay. Acha, stop talking. Today only up to this. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start from question number 6. Okay. Complete it. I am giving you 4 minutes. After that, I'll check your copy.
Ma'am, completed.
Acha, let me wait for the others also. Okay. If you have completed, you can just check it again.